Hi, thanks for joining me today. This is a comparison between the Hoover Pet Cyclonic, Eureka Whirlwind Plus, and Dyson DC07 for the Thanksgiving vacuum test up here. I'm doing it in the same spot I did for the Disney vacuum test in April. So what we have here is baking soda and rubbed into the carpet. After the comparison, I will show you how much dirt they picked up. Just look for the results at the end of the video. Now we'll start with the Dyson. Not bad at all. Time for the Eureka Whirlwind. Now for the wind tunnel. Right here you can see Hoover's patented wind tunnel technology. Not bad at all. So here's how much the Dyson. The Eureka. Hoover. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the downstairs one. I did it again this year. Alright.
You didn't turn off your Jeff Walker?
No, just keep playing.
The music's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Alright.
Hey, Bill! Yeah? Yes. Okay, so now we have Santerra C888, Orchid Cell, Kenmore, Bissell, Hoover, Dyson, Eve, Dirt Devil. So we have leaves this year because I crushed all leaves with that. So we're going to start with Santerra. And back to the Pilgrims from the 1600s. Or from 2009. Now the Kenmore. Bissell Cleanview. No, the wind tunnel. Needs to be put tunnel in the storehouse. Okay, here we go. never did a video on this one, but here's how it sounds. Alright, so what's coming next will be after I put these away, that will be next. The wind tunnel. Alright, here's the big thing about the test. Wind tunnel. Go all the way down. It's like the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Here we go.
Wow, very cool.
By the wind tunnels. What? Wind tunnels, both wind tunnels. Yeah. Alright, let's finish up the videos. Alright, so this is how much it picked up. Anyway, happy Thanksgiving.